95% of our customers are outside the United States, and eventually I think we'll unlock the US market because these are technologies that I view as inevitable. They're, from a transaction dynamic, it's lower cost, it's faster, it's more reliable, it's more auditable. So there's a lot of positives that eventually I think will play out in a way that's good for constituents, citizens of the United States.
The chief executive officer of Ripple forecasts a seismic upheaval in the cryptocurrency market in the United States, citing the possibility of lower SEC monitoring under Trump as well as rising market growth, including the recent market unlocks of $800 billion. Amid XRP explosive growth, the CEO of Ripple predicts a boom in the cryptocurrency market in the United States. Ripple CEO highlights XRP market resurgence as cryptocurrency in the United States enters a new era. The chief executive officer of Ripple, Brad Garlinghouse, has expressed confidence over the future of cryptocurrencies in the United States. He has described a potential shift in the regulatory climate that may occur as a result of the election of President-elect Donald Trump. On Friday, Garlinghouse provided the following explanation in an interview with Fox Business. We are now in possession of a crypto president. In the cryptocurrency industry, Trump has been embraced. Trump is enthusiastic about the cryptocurrency industry. It strikes me as being sincere. I think he sees the opportunities, he sees innovation, he sees entrepreneurship, and I'm very excited about what the future holds, Garlinghouse added, highlighting the fact that this new environment puts an end to years of restrictive oversight by the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, which opens up a tremendous amount of growth potential. As proof of the sector's newly discovered strength, the executive from Ripple pointed to the excellent performance of XRP since Election Day. XRP has increased by more than 70%. All of the crypto assets that have performed the best are either American corporations or American technologies. One shouldn't be surprised by this at all. The Securities and Exchange Commission of the United States has been exerting pressure, influencing these American corporations and technologies. And at this moment, the pressure is released and all of them explode skyward. Therefore, we shouldn't be astonished by that. He stated his opinion. According to Garlinghouse, the market's rebound can be attributed to the elimination of regulatory pressure. He stated we went from 2.2 trillion to basically 3 trillion. Consequently, this was an unlock worth $800 billion. In addition, he praised Robinhood for relisting XRP, describing the action as a positive acknowledgement of the shifting landscape. Garlinghouse announced, "Welcome to the party," about the recent lawsuit filed by 18 Republican attorneys general against the Securities and Exchange Commission, say for overreach. He underscored Ripple's longstanding struggle for fair regulation and shared that the business has invested more than $1.5 billion to oppose the actions of the Securities and Exchange Commission. When asked about the future, the CEO of Ripple stated his optimism about a future in which cryptocurrency innovation will flourish. As the broader cryptocurrency market reaps the benefits of anticipated forthcoming political tailwinds in the United States, the price of XRP, which is managed by Ripple Labs, a company that specializes in digital assets, payments, and infrastructure, is reaching heights that have not been witnessed in the past 3 years. There has been a 16% decrease in the value of the currency since it reached its highest point on Saturday, which was $1.2, but according to data from CoinGecko, it is still up more than 80 on the week to $1. Since President-elect Donald Trump was declared the winner of the presidential election in the United States earlier this month, the coin has been moving in a direction that represents a definite upward trajectory. The market rise in terms of total performance continues to be led by meme coins, which continue to lead the market rally alongside relative gains for large cap coins. This has encouraged investor interest in many cryptocurrencies, including meme coins. The futures market for the world's 6th largest cryptocurrency has seen open interest surge to record heights, just around $2 billion, according to statistics provided by CoinGlass. This is clearly shown by the fact that the market has reached record heights. Initially, the story was reported by CoinDesk. The entire number of active futures or options contracts that are still open and have not yet been settled or closed is referred to as the open interest. High was frequently indicative of an increase in speculative trading, which occurs when traders lay wagers on future fluctuations in prices. Because leveraged positions magnify investor reactions to market news or events, this might result in increased volatility. The recent spike in XRP futures open interest to record levels signifies a rise in trader interest. which is often an indicator of market bullishness. Nick Forster, the founder of on-chain options DeFi protocol Derive, told Decrypt, trader interest is often an indicator of market bullishness. In addition, the fact that financing rates have been constantly high and positive is a strong indicator that new market participants may be profiting on the basis of trade opportunities in XRP, as the founder said further. Trading based on the difference between the spot price of an asset and its price on the futures or derivatives market is referred to as basis trading. The goal of this trading method is to make a profit from the difference. The activity highlights XRP's increasing allure and its dynamic position within the trading community, suggesting speculative optimism as traders position to leverage anticipated price movements. Forster explained to investors, the news comes at a time when there is widespread anticipation that Gary Gensler, the chair of the Securities and Exchange Commission, may resign shortly after the inauguration of Donald Trump on January 20. From the perspective of many individuals working inside the industry, Gensler has continued to engage in what they have referred to as a crusade against digital assets companies, including Ripple. The Securities and Exchange Commission filed a lawsuit against Ripple Labs in December 2020, alleging that the business and its founders had sold XRP to investors who were considered to be investors in securities. The decision that XRP is not a security when it is sold to retail investors was handed down by a federal judge in July 2020. However, the judge found that institutional sales of XRP breached securities regulations, which resulted in Ripple being fined $125 million. This verdict has been challenged by the Securities and Exchange Commission and the court issued a deadline for the SEC's final briefings in January of 2025. It is possible that Ripple, and by extension XRP, may have a clearer runway to rebuild market trust and develop its use case without the overhang of regulatory ambiguity. Depending on the outcome of the case, this is because his prospective departure comes with the possibility that he will leave. Traders of XRP are holding out hope that the Securities and Exchange Commission SEC may reconsider its position in court over the categorization of XRP as a security in light of the impending change in the political leadership of the United States. According to statements made by Trump, he intends to fire Gary Gensler on day one. Decrypt experts have speculated in the past that Gensler may willingly step down within the next 6 months, even though Trump is unable to directly dismiss Gensler despite their previous conversations. Decrypt has been informed in the past by analysts that this might also strengthen the prospects for a spot exchange traded fund that is listed in the United States for the product. XRP investors are betting on those improvements as seen by the recent price boost. According to Pratikala, portfolio manager and head of research at Apollo Crypto, the information that has been provided is not intended to be trading advice. There is no responsibility for any investments that are made based on the information that is provided on this page. Before making any decision about investments, we strongly advise conducting independent research and consulting with a knowledgeable professional.